Hello, friends. Are you like so many of my quilting friends, terrified of the term foundation paper piecing? Do the uber popular legit kits have you quaking in your knees? Well, quilting friends, how would you feel if you had someone you could walk with through the entire process? Someone who could show you the very first steps to FPP. Someone to chase away the FPP boogeyman and have you confidently finishing your first FPP project in just a day. Please join me here on my YouTube channel this Sunday, July 16th at 11 a.m. Eastern, and I will walk you through a very basic FPP block. Download the free block in the description below. It's available from the free pattern library of Wombat Quilts. Gather up some scraps, some solids, some basics, even some directional fabric if you're feeling sassy, and let's FPP. I'll have you ready for your first legit kit in no time. See you on Sunday.